Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use your TI-Nspire to find the sum of a geometric series. Okay, so I have over here a question: find the sum of 8 terms of the geometric series. The first bit is 7, and then you can see we multiply by 4 to get to the next, so we can see it's geometric. It also says it's geometric. So how do I find that sum on my calculator? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a calculator page. And from there, I'm going to go to the menu. I'm not going to go to the menu. I'm going to go here. And you'll see right there I have this summation that we've talked about before. So I'm just trying to show you where it is on the calculator if you need to reference it. So here it is. Enter it. And then I know I'm going from x equals 1 to 8. And I know my sequence is u sub 1, which was 7, times my multiplier, which is 4 raised to the power of x minus 1. That's the formula we've looked at before to find the terms. So if I hit enter, that'll find the first term and then add it to the second term, etc. And there you have your solution. Hope it helps.